How do you play a random song on your iPhone? Well, the music on your iPhone has to be accessed through some sort of app, right? And, if you have the Apple Music or Spotify or any other service, you will likely need to pay a monthly subscription for it, right? So if you have an Apple Music subscription, the way to play random song on your iPhone would be just to go to the radio section at the bottom and locate any sort of playlist or anything that pops up, right? And you're going to be able to just play any random songs. That's pretty cool, right? So if you want to play a random song from your actual library, what you want to do is to make sure that this like randomizer is always selected. So if you choose a playlist or go to your all songs section, make sure this random button is selected so you can like randomize the songs which you already like. Same thing for Spotify. In case you want to be like discovering new music, you can just start browsing it or start playing some sort of playlist for Friday or discover weekly or play the top music best of 2024. Plenty of options to discover or play random songs. And on Spotify, you don't even have to have the you don't have to have the premium subscription, because part of the free version is that these songs play in any order or like in random order to make you upgrade to the premium. So if you want to play random songs anyway, you might as well just stick to the free version and you're always going to be like randomizing songs even without wanting to. So kind of an option as well. But as I mentioned in one of my earlier videos, is that there are some other apps which you can use to discover and play random music. One is called Bandcamp for very unknown or just emerging artists. This is a great way to get it discovered. So they upload their music there and you might as well just start listening to it and perhaps you're going to like it. So yeah, plenty of options. Let me know down below what exactly you're trying to achieve or what your intentions are down below in the comments. But if you found the video helpful, hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'm going to see you in the next video.